The political climate in Harare has reached a fever pitch as the reports emerge of a significant restructuring within the Zimbabwe Defense Force. Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, a man whose influence over the military remains his most potent political currency, has reportedly moved to marginalize President Emmerson Mnangagwa's presence within the country's barracks. This maneuver, described by insiders as a silent peg, suggests that the tactical alliance formed during the 2017 transition has finally reached a point of irrevocable fracture. Salapina mashuko branyu kwa pango na chizi the Barracks Bridge, a shadow of war in Harare. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon TPinda. Wanaomo branyu kwa mchinzi. Central to this development are a series of secret meetings held outside the traditional gates of the ZANU-PF Politburo. Intelligence sources indicate that Chiwenga has been consolidating support among mid to senior level officers, emphasizing a return to military professionalism, a move many interpret as a direct challenge to Mnangagwa's civilian-led patronage networks. The removal of presidential influence from military installations is not merely a symbolic gesture, it is a fundamental shift in the nation's command and control structure. President Mnangagwa, however, has not remained idle in what regional analysts are calling a counter-strike. The president has reportedly initiated a series of sudden dismissals and reassignments within the executive and security clusters. These shots fired in the administrative sense are aimed at dismantling Chiwenga's support base before the vice president can solidify his position. The tension between the low-cost and the military faction is now more visible than at any time in the last decades. The implications of Zimbabwe's stability are profound as economy struggles with the hyperinflation and international isolation. A divided leadership risk paralyzing the state's ability to function. Observers in Pretoria and London are watching closely as any further escalation could trigger a move towards a formal state of emergency or a more overt military intervention. The question now is not if the rift exists, but how much further it can widen before the system snaps. Doma developments are pomidez ba bina comment section medu zofungura aim to deep on separate chit ko each. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.